Here is Spottr, the specialty retail analytics solution built by Third Eye. It basically tracks the sales, operational, and customer performance from country and region to store and product level. Spottr uses unique visualizations to help users spot issues and trends. This is a summary report which provides the sales, customer, product, and profit and loss related summary based on the selection. The sales section currently indicates that the sales on the selected day was below target. The graph to the right shows the monthly sales for the current year versus the previous year. The customer section shows similar analysis about the total number of customers. The product section shows the sales breakdown across the different lines of business, in this case print and merchandise. And the profit and loss section shows the incomes and expenses for the month with the help of a waterfall chart. To view the Sales Insights report, you can click here. The first two cards show the breakdown across the different lines of business, and the remaining two cards the average sales per transaction and sales per square feet. The map below shows the aggregated average sales per transaction, sales, and sales per square feet data at state level, which can be drilled down further to the city level. The grid to the right shows the store level information for the selected state or city. To view the store detail report, you can right click on that particular store. This is the store detail report, which shows the graph with the hourly sales trend, and the grid below shows the transaction level information. This grid can be filtered based on the selections made. This was all about the Spottr. Thank you.